Well, guys, that's it.
Now you gotta get a tow truck.
We got one of those.
Okay. Alright, you guys be safe.
Like, pretty sure
Well,
that
guys,
one guy really helped us out. Like,
it's time
we
to
pulled over and also goes, it's on fire.
do V2. Version 2,
Already.
Datsun 280Z.
Already.
Boy, do we have a story.
Oh my god.
Well, guys, this is not how this video is supposed to go. You're probably not going to see the rest of the video I had planned. I had filmed at least the first half of this before going to catch the Datsun on fire. Let's talk about it. Well, we went out to go tune the Datsun as I had previously said. Of course, you guys don't know that. You guys aren't going to see that part of the video. Started making 12 psi. It was running really good. 12 psi of boost. Just better turn you around. She is just a little bit crispy. Yeah, so injectors are toast. Anything this way has gone. It was pretty isolated. It wasn't terribly hot, so for the most part, everything important is okay. Injectors are bad. That bit of the harness is bad. God, it just really sucks. That's all. It just sucks. A little bit of walk around the car, mostly just the front end. Our carbon fiber air dam is damaged, mostly just in the gel coat. If you guys can see, it is spider webbing. That should all be fixable. We can sand that down, re-gel coat it, or re-clear coat it, whichever's best. But the nice new paint job, it's not nice and new anymore. It's a little sad, but at the same time, gives us an opportunity to try something a little bit different. I won't give too much away there. There's something I have wanted to try, and that I think could turn out really well. I hope you guys would enjoy that process. It'd be kind of cool to do. Let's get inside and I will break everything down. Say hi, everybody. How are you doing? How are you? So little Miss Paisley is going to film this little section of the video with us. Say hi. Tell me what you think. Say, the Datsun caught fire. Anyways, so she'll be in here, right here, with us for the last part of this video. The Datsun had blown an oil line. It was the oil feed line for the turbo, and it had coated the turbo blanket itself. That got hot and ignited, and that is what caused the fire to happen. That is the root of the problem. Now, so the wiring harness needs to be redone, at least from the injectors on towards the driver's side. So injectors, like I said, your crank angle sensor or your CAS, the water temp sensor, and the IAT, intake air temp. Those all need to be redone, along with a couple other pieces and sensors like the throttle position sensor. That's also got to get redone. But overall, could have been a lot worse. The car is okay, and we are going to fix it and make it better than it was. Yes, just like that. So The plan from here on out is to tear down the Datsun. We're gonna get it back to a more or less bare block with the turbo manifold and clean everything up, go through the harness, patch the harness more or less. That's what we're gonna do. And then from there, we'll take care of the body stuff as we get to it. And yes, it'll be very exciting. Sorry if I don't seem too excited. I'm just still really bummed out about the whole thing. But it'll be okay. We'll get it back on the road in no time. And it'll be a lot of fun. Just sucks. Also, if you haven't noticed, if you are new, hi, I'm Austin. We have recently changed the channel to Octane Media. It is going to be more than just me now. It'll be me and a couple other family members and friends that will be more or less overseeing the channel and making content for you guys. Along with that, we will be dropping something here in the next video or two that you guys will see, and it'll help us to rebuild the Datsun and push the channel further. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for the support. And P and I will catch you later.